Hello students, in this lecture we will see range and coefficient of range and example based on range and coefficient of range. So this range is a absolute measure of variation. It is a absolute measure of variation. It is an absolute measure of variation. It is given by range is equal to largest observation minus smallest observation. That is L minus S. Coefficient of range is a relative measure of variation. This is a relative measure of variation and it is given by coefficient of range is equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. L is largest minus smallest divided by largest plus smallest. So this coefficient of range can be used to compare two or more sets of data. And this is the absolute measure of variation which gives the variation in the data only. Now let us see an example. Find range and coefficient of range for the following data. Data is given as 10, 25, 30, 35, 45, 60 and 75. Solution. For this data we have to calculate range and coefficient of range. Here smallest observation is equal to smallest observation S is equal to, what is the smallest observations? Here 10, 25, 30, 35, 45, 60 and 75. Smallest among all these is 5 and largest observation is L is equal to 75. Therefore range is equal to largest minus smallest observation. This is equal to largest is 75 minus 5. So this is equal to 70. So range is a 70. Now coefficient of range is equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. So this is equal to 75 minus 5 divided by 75 plus 5. This is equal to 70 divided by 80. This is equal to 7 by 8. This is the range, coefficient of range. So in this way you can calculate range and coefficient of range. Hope you understood. Thank you students.